Zero-waste dairy cow farming represents a bold new chapter in sustainable agriculture, where every resource is valued, nothing is discarded, and the environmental footprint of dairy production is dramatically reduced. At its heart, this approach is about reimagining the traditional dairy farm as a closed-loop system, one in which inputs and outputs are carefully managed to ensure that waste is minimized and resources are used to their fullest potential. The journey begins with the cows themselves. Their diet plays a crucial role in both their health and the sustainability of the farm. By sourcing feed locally, farmers cut down on transportation emissions and support the surrounding community. But it doesn't stop there. Innovative zero-waste farms also incorporate agricultural byproducts into their cows' diets. Crop residues that might otherwise go to waste, such as corn stalks or rice straw, become valuable sources of fiber and nutrients. Spent grains from local breweries, once considered a waste product, are now recognized as a rich, protein-packed addition to feed that keeps cows healthy while diverting material from landfills. Water is another vital resource, and zero-waste farms treat it with the respect it deserves. Instead of allowing water used for cleaning barns and equipment to go down the drain, it's collected and repurposed for irrigating crops or washing down outdoor areas. Rainwater harvesting systems capture and store rainfall, providing a renewable source of water that reduces dependence on groundwater and municipal supplies, especially during dry seasons. These simple yet effective strategies not only conserve precious water, but also cut costs for farmers. Manure management is perhaps the most transformative aspect of zero-waste dairy cow farming. Rather than viewing manure as a problem to be disposed of, it's treated as a valuable asset. Manure is collected and processed into compost, which enriches the soil and reduces the need for chemical fertilizers. This closed-loop cycle improves soil health, supports crop growth, and ensures that nutrients stay on the farm, rather than polluting waterways. For farms looking to take sustainability even further, anaerobic digesters can convert manure into biogas, a clean, renewable energy source that can power milking machines, heat buildings, or even be sold back to the grid. The byproduct of this process, called digestate, is an excellent natural fertilizer, further closing the loop. Energy use is another area where zero-waste principles shine. Solar panels harness the sun's power to provide electricity for operations, reducing reliance on fossil fuels and minimizing greenhouse gas emissions. Some farms tap into other renewable sources, like wind or small-scale hydroelectric systems, to ensure a steady supply of clean energy year-round. Energy-efficient machinery and practices are used throughout, from milking to milk processing, ensuring that every drop of energy is put to good use. When it comes to dairy products, zero-waste farms are equally innovative. Milk is processed into a range of goods: cheese, yogurt, butter, often using techniques that minimize energy and water use. Packaging is kept to a minimum, and wherever possible, eco-friendly or reusable materials are chosen. Some farms even invite the community in, offering educational tours and workshops that showcase their sustainable methods and inspire others to follow suit. Transparency is key. By sharing information about their farming practices, zero-waste dairy farmers build trust with consumers and foster support for sustainable agriculture. This openness helps bridge the gap between farm and table, empowering consumers to make choices that are good for both their health and the planet. Ultimately, zero-waste dairy cow farming isn't just about eliminating waste. It's about creating a resilient, efficient, and profitable system that benefits farmers, communities, and the environment alike. As more farms adopt these principles, the dairy industry as a whole moves closer to a future where sustainability and productivity go hand in hand.